Hello students, in our this video lecture we will discuss about war with the Marathas. Maratha were become weak in 1761 after the third battle of Panipat. Maratha gets a great loss in this battle, and when Marathas become weak, their chiefs were also divided in different regions, just like Sindhya, Holkar, Gaikwad, and Bhosle. But they are now also together confidently under Peshwa. So the Peshwa is the chief head of Maratha power. However, Marathas were spread in different region, and their chiefs were divided into Sindhya, Holkar, Gaikwad, and Bhosle. Peshwas were seated in Pune. Mahaji Sindhya and Nana Patekar were the statesmen who were successfully combined these power and united them together. Later, late 1800th century. So, in the time period of Mahaji Sindhya and Nana Fadnvis, Britishers were not able to challenge Maratha powers. But after them, they started to interfere in Maratha regions, by which there were three battles were happen between Maratha and Britishers and company. Marathas and company, that's known as Anglo-Maratha War. First war was happened between in 1782, but no one get any victory. So territory of Salbai happened, and everyone returned to their region. After it, second battle of Anglo-Maratha War was happened between 1803 to 1805. In this war, Britishers get victory. So Britishers gaining Orissa and territory of North Yamuna River to Agra and Delhi. In the third battle of Anglo-Maratha War, which happened between 1817 to 19, company get victory on total Maratha power, as the Maratha powers become crushed and Maratha Empire become fall down. Peshwa were removed, sent Bithur in Kanpur. At that time, the Peshwa was Baji Rao II with pension. Now, company had took over complete control over the territories of south of Vindhyas. Vindhyas. So many parts of the middle India with Vindhya region is now being in the control of company.